Okay, so now we're on to part 2 for adding embellishments. Now normally what I do, because it takes between 10 to 15 minutes to do one page, just to gather up the embellishments, I usually put them in together in groups of 5. And I find once I have done 5, I'm ready to kind of take a break and move on to something else. So in yesterday's putting page kits together, we put 5 page kits together, and today we're going to do another 5. Another thing that I did was I did speed this up times 8 because it's the same thing. I just go through the first, like the iris tray, I go through embellishments that were already put in previous kits. I choose from there, and then I choose from the embellishments that are sort of new, that are still on sticker sheets, that are still in die cut packets, and I add those to the bunch. I put between 15 and 30 embellishments per page kit just so that I have lots of choices when I put the page together. And again, as I'm pulling stuff out, I'm looking at it going, what could I do with this specific page? And again, with this one here, I think it's this page here, or maybe the next one, I look at it and I go, oh, that would be perfect for the wedding. So then I just took a little recipe card out and I just put Kate's wedding, so that when I pull out that page kit, whether it's a month from now or a year from now, I'll know that I was thinking of maybe doing some pictures from that specific event. So the last thing that I have to put in these page kits is some cardstock. So once I, whether I wait till all the 30 pages are put together with the embellishments, or, one day if I go up there and I don't feel like doing anything else, I'll just take these page kits that are already in the plastic baggies and I'll walk up to my spot where I keep all my cardstock, and then I'll say, okay, I need a red cardstock for this one, or green one for this one, and I'll just add it directly in the oversized baggie. So while I'm putting that together, just want to tell you a little story. I didn't think I was going to be able to put up a video today because we had a huge storm here yesterday, and it was the night before into yesterday, and then it kind of slowed down yesterday, but then it picked up again last night, and we lost power at about 1 o'clock in the morning, and I didn't know if I was going to be able to get a video done today and upload it. I had quite a few videos ahead up until Tuesday of this week, and then I thought, then I'm off work, so then I can just do them like the day before and upload them the day that it's supposed to go on YouTube. So I didn't know if the power is gonna be back on so that I could upload this to YouTube today, but we got power again a couple hours ago, and I was pretty excited, and I decided to do the voiceover pretty quickly and get it up on YouTube before that we lose power again. So it just made me think of how there's people from all over the world, that are on YouTube and listening to videos. So in the comments below, let me know what the temperature is like where you are, because I know there's lots of places that you're probably, it's summer and it's nice. And I'm a little jealous, I have to say, because it's so cold here. And normally we don't get snowstorms this early. Like usually it kind of waits till after Christmas, and then winter doesn't feel as long. I mean, it's cold, but then we don't have a bunch of snow, but already we have so much snow. I think this is snowstorm maybe the 3rd or the 4th already, and we're not even December 1st. But back to this video. This is where it helps that every time I pick some pattern paper, I try to choose a different color, because as I'm going through the embellishments, I'm not always looking at the pink or the blue. There's quite a bit of variety. Like just in these 5 pages here, I had some that was yellow, some that was pink. I had a total page kit that was all black, and then I added some red into that, and that was the one that I decided that I would do for my daughter's wedding. It just helps in choosing the embellishments and not running low on one specific color. And another thing that I like to do, as you can tell, is I like to do stuff in batches. So when I first started with this, I chose a whole bunch just doing the pattern papers, because then your mind kind of gets accustomed to matching colors together. And then I go and start bringing in some embellishments and making, the page kits that way, adding the embellishments. Then I move on and add cardstock in whatever color I think would go really well with this. Now at that point, if I was going to a crop, I would then go through them and have my washi tape in front of me and my twine and all those little extra things. And I would do washi tape, twine, and my thickers and small alphabets. And I would add all those into my page kits. And then I would just put a small piece of washi tape on a recipe card, and then I would have a specific container, that I'm taking to the crop, and I would put my whole roll of washi tape in there. And then the twine, I would just unroll, at least 3 or 4 lengths and put it in the bag. And then the alphas, I would stick it in the bag. And then you have everything that you need to complete pages. And that's it. That's going to complete these 5 pages. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.